How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
What's the recommended minimum ventilation rate for a bathroom exhaust fan? The answer is 50 CFM. What is a joist in home construction? The answer is a horizontal support for floors or ceilings. What type of light fixture is best for a damp area like a porch or bathroom? The answer is damp-rated fixture. When installing crown molding, which tool is most essential? The answer is miter saw. In home energy audits, what is a blower door test used for? The answer is measuring air leaks. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.